This clip answers the query how to buy shares of Yara International and gives a quick company overview. Yara is a global crop nutrition and fertilizer producer listed on Euronext with ticker YAR.OL. This content is educational only and not financial advice. To trade, you need a brokerage account. I will use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, typically by uploading an ID, and you will need to add funds before buying. Use the platform search box and enter the ticker YAR.OL to find the security, then select the result that shows Yara International on Euronext. Make sure the exchange and ticker match before proceeding. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a live price chart for YAR.OL plus recent trading details. Confirm the issuer name and ticker to ensure this is the correct share. To invest, click the Buy or Trade button, enter the amount you want to invest, then review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or executed when it reopens. And if your funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. Once filled, the position will appear in your portfolio and you can track it there. For convenience, the eToro link is in the description if you want to follow the same steps.